Hey guys, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to add health bar in GDevelop. So I have this scene set up. As you can see, it's just a platformer, a player and a monster. So as of now, the player has got this variable called health, and whenever it collides with the monster, it loses 5 health. So now I want to add one health bar. So I'll just create one resource bar. I'll choose one of the pre-made asset. So pre-made asset, this red flat bar. I'll bring it into the scene. I'll just go the maximum value to 100 and I'll put the initial value 100 as well. In the event, at every tick, so I'll just keep this condition blank. The value of the red flat bar will be equal to the value of the health of the player. So player dot health. Here we go. So now if I preview it, as you can see, when it is colliding with the monster, the health bar is decreasing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.